In this video, you'll learn how to trace a payout to a reservation using GuestyPay. We'll walk you through the steps to ensure you can easily match your payouts with reservations. First, sign in to your Guesty account. In the top navigation bar, click the Mode selector, and under Financials, click Payment Processing. Then, click Payment Dashboard. Fill in your username and password, then click Sign In. In the GuestyPay dashboard, click Sub-Account Reports, and then select Payouts Reconciliation. Under Date Range, select Process Date and choose your desired period. For accuracy, extend the range by 3 to 4 days to include weekends, as banks and other parties usually do not process payments over weekends. Click your selected payout to view its details. Then click Daily Settlements and access the details by clicking the blue arrow. Click Sales, and on the far right side, under the column Merchant Transaction ID, you'll find the confirmation codes related to all the reservations included in this payout. Keep in mind that all transactions included in the payout will have a line item with the Merchant Transaction ID. Additionally, if there were multiple transactions on the same day for the same reservation, you will see multiple lines with the same Merchant Transaction ID. And that's it! You've successfully traced a payout to a reservation using GuestyPay. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.